Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about September Knitcrate, which I am super excited about. Now I have unsealed the box. It's because it'll make it easier for me to open on camera. I didn't want to bring my scissors or my knife to cut it open, so I've opened it here, but not opened it fully because I don't know what's inside. All I know is that the theme of this month is prism, like gems, colors of gems and things like that, which should be really interesting. And I wonder what color that I will be allocated. I've seen people unboxing theirs. There was a wonderful pink. Oh, beautiful. And I know there's a gray, and I'm not sure about the other color. I don't remember. Anyhow, without further ado, let's open up this box. I'm excited. I think I will let you try and see it first, and you can tell me. What color is it? Oh, it's a gray. Yay. I mean, it's great and all, but I really wanted the pink. Oh well. Right, so let's see the yarn. Oh, it's quite soft. I think it's a DK weight. Let's take a look. So this is Euro. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce these names, you guys. Uru yarn. Uru. Anyway, I will show you. It's not focusing very well. Uru yarn. It is amazing. It's a silk DK, right? So 85% merino, 15% silk, and it's a DK weight. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels really soft. Not as soft as, I think it was July. July's box was really, really soft. This is soft. I could wear this, definitely. I will try and show you the label. There we are. 85% merino, 15% silk, DK weight. And it's 100 gram per skein. And we've got two. Yay! I love it. Love it. Inside, there's, of course, the booklet. And when you open it up, it shows you what the colors are available. There's like a taupey color, taupey beauty berry, which is the one I wanted, and there's a chill out color, enlightened, like a blue. I don't know how to describe that color. I will show you. These are the colors. Look at that color. This is the one I wanted. Oh, I really wanted that. But oh well, I got this one. The other color is this. Is it like a turquoise? Beautiful colors. Beautiful. Really look at that. Oh, the patterns are, oh, something to wear. Oh, I mean, they're all something to wear, but this is like a vest. And some beautiful socks. Here's the vest. And there's another vest here. Oh, there's a glare. Look at these socks. Oh, I might have a go at these socks. Look at those. See that? Beautiful. Oh yes, I think I must do those. Definitely must do those. Okay, perfect. And also there's a little extra. There's a little extra. I like this now because they have just started in the last 2 or 3 months, is it? 3 months to put little extras inside. And this month's extra is a shawl pin, but it's beautiful. It's like a rainbow shawl pin. There's different colors. It's just amazing. Look at that. I think this will complement last month's Knitcrate shawl because similar colors. Do you see that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is so pretty. I love it. Love it. I'm very happy with this month. So next month we have a little sneak peek to next month's theme, and it is Journey to Peru. And Peru, if you don't know, is really the capital of all things to do with materials and colors and things like that. And this is looking very promising. There's a glare. I am so sorry. Look at that alpaca. Oh, this is amazing. Look at all the colors available. Oh, I wonder what color I'm gonna get. Oh, there are quite a few colors there that I want them all because I'm not greedy at all. I want all the colors in the universe. Wow, I am absolutely happy and think I will get a start on these socks. Not today, but maybe tomorrow. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't watched my channel before, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. For those returning to watch my videos, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing. Please hit the like button. Feel free to make any comments, any suggestions, questions, anything you like. Thank you again, and until next time, happy knitting and crochet!